a train go by or what?
There's a train coming. There's a train coming.
Uh-oh, I'm getting the hell out of here. Go! Go! Go!
Oh no.
Where did I go?
It's down there. It didn't
Oh.
even explode. It's just moving. Oh,
I had no cab.
I got a pink truck.
I'm good.
Bro, I always accidentally pick the pink color. Bro, when I'm trying to press spawn, pink color is always in the direct path. So like, I always accidentally click it. I can get destroyed anyways. Oh no. You won't be able to move it.
Bob. Why is it not working?
Yeah, so the train comes from both sides. Oh,
Hey, come back, come back. What's an interview about trains? What's your interview about trains?
oh no.
What's your interview about trains, sir?
Oh no.
Oh, look at these train cars.
What the?
Oh, God!
No, my pink cab, it still survived. Why did it Let's do green.
Tinker, the runaway tinker. You better get it. Stop! Stoppy! Stop! Stop the car! Stop! Oh, there it goes. I don't care about that anymore. Dana is better than you.
Oh no. Oh, the World Cup is literally next year.
Bears games in Dana's.
It's in 25 minutes, bro. What the heck? Yeah, the Bears better win.
Well,
But like,
I don't know how they won it last time. 21 to 3 halftime, insane.
but like, the Rams are used to warm weather in LA, and it's gonna be like, what, 15 degrees?
-2 outside, wait. The wind chill is -2 outside. We'll definitely.
Yeah, and it's snowing.
Oh yeah, it is snowing. I forgot. It wasn't supposed to snow. Vader said there should snow.
It's still. I'm getting out. What the?
Get out. You turn. Take it. I'm fine. Nothing hit me.
One of the tankers survived.
Well, I got.
No, never mind. It didn't.
I got jinxed pretty good.
Oh, it did.
No, one survived.
Oh yeah, one did survive.
I knew it. I'm a Why is the cab still moving?
Bro, it doesn't work anymore.
Stupid. I can only I do it. Because you're SpongeBob and I'm Patrick. I'm coming for you. Oh, I'm coming! Oh, help me! Help me! Take this.
You just.
Goes off.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Oh no, I'm cutting that off. No,
I wanna-
I'm cutting that off. I'm cutting that off. I'm cutting that off. They're getting banned.
What?
They're getting banned. They're getting banned. Oh, it's not Nicky Dirty.
It's annoying. I freaking hate it. There's one coming really fast.
Hey! Oh
What happened to the other one? Oh yeah, there. I'm stuck. I'm dead.
Go. There's another train coming. Go.
It's not gonna derail.
I died! It just killed me!
I'll take the sacrifice. I just hit it.
Nothing. It's because I died. It's because I
Why would
died.
you die?
Come on, game.
Excuse me. Stop brake checking me. I can sue you now. I'm stuck. Look what you did. I can't move. Okay, thank you. Hey, that's another lawsuit.
Now I'm gonna do stupid stuff.
You're such a fatty.
Well, he's SpongeBob, so he's skinny and he doesn't know how to do big guys.
Bro, he can't even lift marshmallow.
No. Oh, you can't. Hey, what's coming? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Oh, what the? I didn't know this was another train coming. Bye, tanker. Rest in peace. Oh, it survived. Thanks it again. I can't get it.
Rest in
I'm
peace.
Trixie. Take this.
Missed.
Now.
Where are you? Are you inside my truck? Oh no. Get out.
Fall off. It's not falling. You're so lucky.
Why would you do nothing?
Hit it off.
You're gonna hit this one off. They're both
No, that was super bomb.
both dangling for life.
No train coming. No, is the train coming?
Yeah, there's a train coming.
What? I gotta hurry up. That train's coming. Come on, push it off.
Why are you trying to push it off?
It didn't fall! Oh!
What the? Oh, let's go. Now we don't have to put any more on the tracks because actually no, we have to.
Oh.
But we're gonna die though.
Now there's 2 of them falling over.
Are we kidding? Oh, it's slowly falling.
No.
Oh, there it goes.
What the? It started going down so.
Hey, don't even try.
Don't even try. It's insane.
Why did you even try?
No.
Arigato.
Tengo Pitayon.
Bro, I just turn around.
I'm now at the peace and my.
Okay, so there's a train coming.
We don't care about that. Peace and mind come from your thoughtness. There's a train coming, so I don't care. Oh, look behind us.
We are all
Train coming.
dead.
I'm getting the hell out of here. And now it's really slow.
They're both slow.
Bye, tanker. Bye,
tanker.
That's a slow-mo tanker.
Now Nothing happened. Why is there a danger inside of me? It's so slow. Oh no. It's all falling. I'm stuck. Help me. I'm inside the bridge. I'm inside the walls of the bridge.
What?
My head is sticking out.
I don't see you. You're not in this. You mean the giant bridge?
And the bridge, the tunnel.
What?
My head
You
is
mean the big
sticking
bridge
out.
next to the crossing?
Not like the tunnel.
There's
The
only
tunnel-
there's 2 tunnels.
The tunnel that want all the debris in.
Oh, what the? No. Why are you right there?
We have to put something on the tracks.
Oh, how should I hump him? Now he's gone. I killed him. The humping killed him.
Go. That's fast. I might just barely make it. Oh no.
Take the light!
Thank you. You saved my life. It's all going over my tanker. Let's freaking. My tanker just dodged the biggest bullet.
I just saved you. Uh-oh,
Oh.
it just killed the crossing signal. Nothing happened. Bye-bye. Okay, that's it for the video.
Yeah, it's
Bye-bye.
cold.
The video next
Bye.
week. Subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye. I'm scared. Hope the bears up.